Hi, my name is Lynn from bossphotography.net and this is my assistant Colleen. Today I'm going to teach her how to use the Poochie bells, but first I need to teach her the command touch. To teach Colleen the command touch, I'm going to click and reward using a clicker. Colleen, come. Sit. Touch. Good girl. Now that we've been practicing the touch technique, I'm going to introduce the Poochie bells. The Poochie bells have hung right beside the door that I want her to use. So, this time instead of asking her to touch my hand, I'm going to ask her to touch the bells. Colleen, come. Sit. Touch. Touch. Good girl. And I click and reward because she's done the command I've asked. This time I'm going to ask her to touch the bells, and this time when she does that, the door will open. Touch. Good girl. Click and reward.
Colleen, foot. Good girl. Touch, 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 touch. Good girl. Hi, my name is Brendan Sullivan from bossphotography.net, and today I'm going to show you how to do clicker training with your dog. You just need a clicker and you need some treats that the dog likes. Now, I'm going to show you the command heel today and how to teach your dog to do the command heel. It's quite simple, but of course Colleen knows the tricks already, but I'm going to show you how to train your dog how to do it. Now, the first thing you have to do is get the treat and get the dog in. Colleen, come. Yes, come. Sit. So what I'm going to do first of all is take the treat in front of her nose to lure her around to where I want. Sit. I'm going to click for it and give the treat. So the click is actually a signal that she has done it correctly. So we do it again. And as you have noticed, I'm not actually giving the command yet. I'm actually just showing her what I want her to do. So Colleen, yeah. Sit. And treat. Now, if you had done this a few different times and the dogs understand that she should go around and sit, and every time she does it she gets something good out of it, well, then we can start introducing the command itself. So this time I'm going to introduce the heel command. So I'm going to do the same thing, but say heel, sit, and reward. Come in, heel. You gave us an extra little trick there. And that's it. Now, don't give treats every time, because then the dog will expect to get treats every time. So mix it up now and then, because if you go out and you don't have any treats with you, the dog won't listen to you anymore. So we do it again, but this time we're just going to give a rub. Colleen, heel. Good girl. Good girl. And that's it. So that's the heel command with the clicker training. Of course, there's so many ways to actually train your dog, but we find it that clicker training is the fastest, the quickest way to train your dog. Yes, isn't it? Good girl.